everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Try to do something a little bit different today, do a little montage of the units that I was working on today. So that's what I did. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but even though it's from the Apple songs, so hopefully that's fine, but if not, whatever. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Going forward, or just doing a recap for the week, it was really nice. Super hot inside, but some days it was cold outside, so it was nice just to walk right into a job site, not have to wear a hoodie or a coat or anything like that, or sweats under my pants. So we're just wearing a t-shirt all week, wearing my hat, of course. But anyways, it was a really good week. I think I only worked like 34 something hours like that. So I worked 9 hours Monday, 9 hours Tuesday, 9 hours Wednesday, and then 7.5 hours today. Just because coworkers wanted to leave, and also because I finished all 21 units, or the last few units, 21 of 21. The foreman was gone, and also I would have had to switch to a new task, which he couldn't really line me out on. So it was just a really good stopping point to go home. So I did, and I'm really happy about it. I'm really happy that I haven't been working 10 hours a day. It's just been really nice. Just have more free time, just relax after work, enjoy the weather a little bit more after work. So it's been really nice. I've been enjoying it. I'm always forgetting one thing to say. I think it's pretty much just the heat inside the building has really just been the only downside, and working on a ladder hasn't been too bad. But yeah, it's been really nice just hooking up these units for like the last 5 or 6 days since last Wednesday or Thursday. So it's been really easy, just time consuming. So I did have to crawl up through or had to work through one of the access doors today, which the unit wasn't even really like in the access door. It was kind of off to the side, so that was annoying, but a really good week. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I think I have a hair in my mouth. That's wonderful. Anyways, check the description for anything else. As always, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It'd help out the channel. Love to see you in the next video. I'll try to get some videos out to you guys over the weekend. Don't forget the giveaway ends on Sunday, I believe, April 4th at, I think it was 4 p.m. Check the description on that video for the final results, or actually in the title. And yeah, I'm going to go get my first professional massage here in a couple hours by one of my new friends. So I'm excited about that. And as always, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. And I think I already said it, but check the description for anything else like social media on Instagram and good stuff like that. And that should do it, guys. Thank you so much. And have an awesome rest of your day. Have an awesome day tomorrow and an awesome weekend. My weekend has already started at 2:30 p.m. so I'm happy about that. That is one of the perks of having 4-day weeks and getting off early and not working 10 hours a day. So anyways, I'm super happy. It was a really great week. And anyways, I'll get some new content out for you guys on Monday. I'll be doing something different than these HVAC units. I'll be doing something a little bit different, I think. So I'm excited to see what that will be. Anyways, guys, I'll probably drop another house video. And I just want to say appreciate everyone who stopped by the live stream last night and hung out for an hour or whatever. I was eating and doing a live stream of changing something in my house. So if you didn't check that out, go back and check out that video and skip to the part where I'm doing electrical work if that's something you want to see. And that should do it. Like I said, I'll be uploading a house video probably later, and then doing some more DIY electrical 101 videos over the weekend. So anyways, guys, that should do it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.